Hey guys, Will's from Hip Gaming here, and today we're going to show you another town project quest. This one's called Fisher Folk Needed. We're trying to find 10 Nightcrawler bait, and I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. Okay guys, so to find Nightcrawlers, all you want to do is find some flint, and you have a small chance to get a Nightcrawler when you collect the flint, but the only caveat is it has to be daytime for the Nightcrawler to show up. Otherwise you're going to get a glowworm instead. So just look for flint. It's all over the map. Make sure it's daytime. You'll get this one knocked out super quick. Alright guys, and just like that, we've got our 10 Nightcrawlers. We just got to head back to the town and turn it in. After you have your 10 Nightcrawlers, just make your way back to the town project board. And that's it guys, it's super easy. Thanks for watching. I'll be back for a lot more of these town projects and quest guides as we go through new worlds. So hope you love the content and check out some more.